Hi guys, it's Kendra. So welcome back to our channel, and I'm back with another hair video. I haven't done two hair videos this close together because I just recently did my updated curly hair routine for you guys. And today I wanted to share my go-to winter wash and go with you guys, like what I do when it's the middle of winter, it's freezing outside and my hair needs some TLC. It's pretty much a wash and go I've been doing for years. Pretty simple, just two products. But before that, I did share my little extra deep conditioning routine with you guys. I won't call it extra, it's just me taking extra care and the extra time to deep condition for a little bit longer than I normally do. And I use a steamer, so y'all will see in the next clip. But let me know what other hair videos you guys want Kelsey and I to do, what other products that you would like us to try, anything like that. But yes, these curls are definitely what I'm aiming for in the winter months. I need max moisture and I still love my max definition. Like, I love extra defined curls. I highly recommend any of these products if you have my type hair. Like, my hair is very thick. I'm pretty sure it's like 3C4A. And if you just have super dry curls. So highly recommend this wash and go if you're looking for a new curly hair routine that gives you extra moisture and extra definition. So if you're interested in the products I use, they will be in the description box below. And let me stop rambling and let you guys just get right into it. Okay guys, so I did my normal wash day routine with my Way Detox Shampoo, Briogeo Scalp Revival, and my Shea Moisture Demoisturizing Conditioner. But to deep condition, I'm going to start with the steamer. This steamer is from Amazon, and I'm going to use my favorite Amika Soul Food hair mask. In the colder months, I do take the extra mile when it comes to deep conditioner. Everything is typically always the same with my wash day routine, but this step is the one that changes. And I'm just gonna go in and finger rake that into my hair and let the steam hit it. The steam is going to help the product penetrate a lot deeper. And I love doing this step in the colder months because the hair mask just works so much better. My hair is more prone to breakage in the winter months because of the dry air. So this step is crucial for me when it comes to my winter wash day, wash and go routine. And I absolutely love this step. So I'm just gonna section that in two sections and then just put on some saran wrap and top that off with a beanie to get it to penetrate even deeper. I'm also gonna let it sit for like 20-30 minutes. And after I rinsed that out, my hair turned out super soft. This is my hair with no product in it after freshly washing out the hair mask. And my hair is very detangled and super soft and ready to be styled. So I'm gonna be using the Camille Rose Curl Love and Curl Maker. This combo works every time. This is like my go-to in the winter time because these products are super moisturizing. They're very rich. And I'm just going to obviously do my normal styling routine. I like to do 4 sections and then divide that into smaller sections. So I'm just finger raking this Curl Love Moisture Milk in my hair first. This is a fantastic leave-in if you have super dry curls. And if you have like a tighter curl pattern, even if you don't, you can just use less products if you have like looser curls. But for tighter curls, I love how this works. It's super moisturizing and it just does a really good job at detangling my hair. So I'm gonna do that first before I go in with the curl maker. So I'm gonna be going in with the Curl Maker Jelly. I love this jelly. It's a fantastic styling product for the winter time because it gives me really good definition, hold without having it like dry super crunchy, because it's still super moisturizing. And this has like a very like slippery texture, so it gives really good slip and it clumps the curls together really nicely. And for this routine, I'm not going to do any finger coiling in the back, but I did do a little bit when I got to the front of my hair, but I don't do that in the back for this routine. I just like to finger rake and just go because it's just so much quicker. And like I said in my last hair routine video, my updated hair routine, that's very time consuming and I don't always do that when I style my hair. So this is one of those times that I just decided to skip it and just finger rake the curl maker into my hair. But like I said, the front I did do that because it just makes it look better. And it's pretty much the most exposed part of your hair, so I just take extra time with the front. I also like to apply these products on damp hair. If you guys are wondering, you can do wet hair if that works better for you. I just have major sensory issues and I hate like wet products on my back and like my neck and stuff. And if I do have to apply my products with wet hair, I do it in the shower. But if I'm out of the shower, I definitely like my products that I can do damp hair. And the Camille Rose products work really well on damp hair for me. So yeah. So after applying the products to my entire head, I am an air dry girly, so I'm going to air dry, but first I'm going to start with doing my hooded dryer for like an hour and then I air dry the rest after that. And my hair usually turns out really well defined and soft and fluffy, but still very defined with hold. So that completes this video. Let me know if you guys are going to try it out, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.